Welcome. My name is Robert Martell, and I'm the instruction librarian here at the Atlantic School Theology Library. In this brief video, I'll be looking at how a student can search for both books and articles using our online catalog. Now, to locate the online catalog, you need to be on the AST Library's main page. So here's the main page. You can easily get here by Googling or searching AST Library. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the middle of the page. So right around here in the middle, you'll see a link right here, and it reads, "Click here to search the library online catalog," or use the search box below. And so down here, just below the link, is a search box that you can use. You could do a basic search in this field here, or you could click on the advanced search and do a more detailed search. But for purposes of this video, we're going to enter the catalog using the link right here. So we click on the link. Now it brings you to our online catalog. And sometimes you'll hear people refer to this catalog as the Novanet catalog. And that's because AST, along with all the other universities and colleges in Nova Scotia, belong to the Novanet Library Consortium. You might also hear that this catalog is referred to as the Primo catalog. And Primo is just the name that the vendor has given to the catalog. But you'll see here, up here in the left-hand corner, you'll see that you're using the Atlantic School Theology version of this catalog. Now, the first thing I want you to do before you start searching, whether you do a basic search or an advanced search over here, is I want you to sign in. This is really important, okay? Sign in. When you sign in, you eliminate some steps that you would otherwise have to do while you're searching the catalog. And one of the big steps you eliminate is you're already logged in for accessing electronic resources like an electronic article or an ebook. So signing in is key. So that's what we're going to do here. All right. So I'm going to click sign in, and you'll see two options: AST students and staff. That's the option you're going to be using. We click on this, and it'll bring up an Open Athens login screen. And every student has Open Athens credentials. Open Athens is just a third party that helps to authenticate you. Using your Open Athens credentials proves that you're an AST student, and it gives you access to electronic resources that are licensed to the AST library. So I'm going to log in here. You enter your username and your password, and here we are. We are now logged into the catalog. So this is the first big step, and now you can start searching for resources. But before I start searching for resources, I just want to quickly highlight up here, you have access to the details of your account right here. So under your library card, so you see my name here, is your library card. You can see what books you have loaned out, what books you've requested that haven't arrived yet or are waiting for you, anything that you've marked as a favorite. And you can also see your search history. You can see what you've searched in the past. And one of the important features of this here, this loan section, library card loan section, is you can renew your books. So I encourage you to explore that early on. Now let's do a basic search. So I can do an advanced search, but we're going to do a simple search. So right here, go back to simple search. All right, let's start. Let's just pick something, something broad. Pastoral care. It's a huge topic. All right. What I want to do is draw your attention to the left side here. You'll notice you have a few categories to sort by. You have availability. So what's available online? Peer-reviewed journals, open access, what's held by the library, so what is at AST. And down here, resource type, articles, audio sources, book chapters, books, conference proceedings, journals, and more. And it tells you how many items here, Atlantic School of Theology. Let's click on this one here. Okay, so it brought up, under Atlantic School of Theology, it brought up a little over 1,100 results by clicking on that. But I'm going to get rid of this filter. Let's go back. So we're going to just exit out right here. And say we want to look at an ebook on the topic, the broad topic of pastoral care. So let's go to available online. Okay, so we're seeing journals. Let's change our filters here. Let's go to our resource type and just focus on books. So right here, books. Here we are. So as you can see right here, our filters right here. We did our broad search, and then we chose what's available online, and we chose books. So online books, in other words, ebooks. All right, let's explore the first one. So what you're about to do here is we're about to see a record of a book. So let's click on the title. Okay. View online, full text availability, you'll see right here. So let's view the full text. Let's get access to this book. So what's opened is a record for the ebook on its own platform. So you recall we were in this window, we had performed a search. We were looking at an ebook record, pastoral care and counseling, and introduction. We went down here to view full text. And then this window opened up. And we've been taken to the platform where the ebook resides. And we have a few options while we're here. We can read online. We can download a chapter. We can also explore the table of contents. See if we go to right here. Let's go to part 1, titled Care for Stories. So you could browse this online right now. And when you're done, you can sign out right up here. And you can just close this tab. And your existing catalog tab is still open. And then if you want to get out of this book record, just hit this X here. And now you can go back to your search results and do some more exploring of the resources themselves. Say it was an article you preferred to look at, not a book. Well, we could reset our filters, or we could just get rid of the book filter right here. So let's get rid of the book one, the book filter. And then now take a look on resources here, resource type. Let's take a look at articles. So remember, our original search was pastoral care. So articles. All right, you have a lot to sift through. Remember, our search topic was very broad. But for example, let's take a look at one of these articles. So here we go. 40 years of pastoral care. Click on the title of the record. It's one way to get in. You scroll down, see view online, full text availability. It says it's here at something called EBSCOhost Academic Search Premier. That's a database. and Atlantic School of Theology has access to this database. So you could click on the title of the database, where the article lives. And because we already signed in at the very start of this video, we don't have to sign in again. We'll be taken directly to the article. And here we are. We're inside the database, Academic Search Premier, and here is the article that we opened the record for and then clicked on. And again, you can simply close this tab and move back into the catalog for more searching. Now I'm going to reset my filters right here. And we're going to try a little bit more of a little more detailed, complicated search. We're going to try an advanced search. So right over here, you have the advanced search tab. We have pastoral care. Let's add a little bit of extra to it. What about elderly? Just focus our search a little more. So right here, you have your search. Execute your search, and now wait for your results. Okay, here we go. Pastoral care of older adults, creative pastoral care and counseling. Well, what is this? Is this an ebook? It's an article? Well, it says it's a book, but is it a print book or an ebook? We haven't explored any print books yet, so let's take a look at this record. So it says it's available at the Atlantic School of Theology. This is a print book. It's not an online book. It doesn't say it's available online. What can we learn about it? So here's the title, authors, a bit of the contents of the book. But where is it? We want to borrow this book. If we want to take a look at this book, let's see. Up here, under Get It, right here, and Location, you'll see the book's call number. And as you know, all the books on the top floor of the library are organized by a subject using Library of Congress call numbers. So this is the call number you would need if you were to go up to the top floor of the library to pull this book, Pastoral Care of Older Adults, off the shelf. I'm going to take us out of this record and just again show you right here how to tweak your results. If you don't want print books, you want to see what's available online. Maybe you want to know only the resources that are held at the AST Library. Do you want articles? Do you want conference proceedings? So there's a lot to explore in the catalog. This has just been a sample of a basic and a more advanced search and what an ebook or an electronic article might look like once you've retrieved it. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and I encourage you to check the AST Library website for other videos on how to search for books and articles. Thank you.